Good morning, YouTube. Today we have none other than another very busy day. We are about to shoot over to the gym and we are getting some content for Blacks and Labs with Fit Mom Rachel. I'll introduce you guys to her later, but she's visiting Myrtle Beach. So we're gonna do that. I have an unboxing, which you probably already know from the title of the video. My 100,000 subscriber plaque says that it will be here today. The shipping says that it'll be here today. So hopefully, hopefully it'll be here later today and I will unbox that for you guys right on the channel. I'm very excited and I cannot wait. But first, I'm gonna show you what my coffee looks like in the morning because it's a little different than your standard coffee. I have my glutamine. I have my pound cake isolation. I put 10 grams, I weigh this out, I put 10 grams in, and then I also put oat milk in my cup. And that's kind of what it looks like. And then I mix it up and add my coffee. So, I'm gonna get that started and I'll show you guys what the finished product looks like, but it's so good and gives me a little kick of protein first thing in the morning, and the glutamine helps my muscles. So, let me get that stirred because you don't want to hear that. Okay, so now I'm going to drink up and head to the gym. I'm here today with Fit Mom Rachel, and you may have seen her on the channel modeling some of the Rochelle Carter one pieces. She looked like a smoke show.
Thank you.
So she reached out and she was like, where can we go to get a good workout in when we're visiting Myrtle Beach? And I said, Iron Lake UC Gym. And I'm gonna come and train with you.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 for you. Won't you let the light shine through? In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
So today has been a really long day, but I'm excited because it is almost dinner time and we're actually going out to dinner with Rachel and her husband Eddie and all the kids. So I'm excited for that. We're going to Villa Toscana, which is a fan favorite and a personal favorite as well. If you're down in the Myrtle Beach area, definitely check out Villa Toscana. Let them know we sent you there. And definitely try the dirty martinis if it is your style, because that's my favorite and they're like the best in the area. So right now, Chris has a hurricane outside and I'm gonna show you what we're doing per our normal routine when we get a new car. So let's go out into the garage and see what he's got going on. Hey babe. What are you doing?
I'm just like the hired help around.
Oh, you're the most handsome help I've ever seen. What do you got your hands all over my car for?
You can't keep saying I can buy a car and then I buy a car and then you say it's now your car.
Fun fact, guys, if you can't tell, Chris gets so mad when I call it my car. But it just looks so nice with my black dress, with the black and yellow car. Or, walk with me, people. My black dress looks really nice next to the black and white car, too. I mean, they're both my cars, right, babe? He gets so mad. Okay, what are we doing? Sure. Yeah, I think on the lower side, otherwise it'll look like it's floating. So we went with the YouTube channel this time instead of the Instagram handle. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, I like the black and yellow.
Ready?
Wow, it really pops.
So this means it's like officially a tax write-off now, right?
Yep.
Because now it's advertising for business. So now basically the government pays for your car.
No, that's not entirely true.
Well, you get the money back that you spent on the car. You get that back when you write it.
Let's just call it a tax write-off and.
Right. So now it's technically a free car.
Wow.
Like the government subsidies. Like the people that watch the channel, their tax money pays for my car.
Yeah, go with it. You're gonna get so much hate for that. It looks so good.
I like it.
I like it too.
I have to do the other side now.
Yay! Insert applause.
That's good.
Yeah, it looks really good. Okay, so special shout out to Savannah, because Savannah, we'll throw her handle in here, did the decals. So thank you so much. We're very happy with them. They look awesome. So thank you, Savannah.
You're welcome.
He means thank you. All right, so we did just get a package in. So are you ready to open it up?
Yeah, let's go do it.
I'm so excited. Okay, we're gonna open up a package right now. And we have a package.
Yes, it's a very large package.
But first,
And she got a delivery.
But first, if you guys want to see the full workout video, you'll be able to watch that, and we'll put a card in this so they can click on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that. So you can watch the full workout video when you click the card. But now, onto the package that was delivered from YouTube. Yay! Okay, so this is the package you've all been waiting for. Actually, I've been waiting for. So, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's filled with cash.
It's filled with foam. A letter.
You don't need to know.
Okay. Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100th? Your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with the community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber?
Million?
Yours sincerely, Susan.
Wojcicki.
Yep, CEO of YouTube. So thank you, Susan. And I guess we should show off the plaque.
I'll text Susan and see.
Did you get a text Susan?
I don't have my phone on me, but I would have.
Can I take it out?
No. Yes, you can.
Okay. I'll make my fingerprints on it. Wow, guys.
You spelled your name wrong. I'm just kidding.
Stop it. Presented to Kristen Graham for passing 100,000 subscribers. Kiss me.
I'm fun of that.
I'm from the people. Wow, this is really cool. So I know where I want to hang it.
In the bathroom. Above the toilet, so I could always read it.
That's not what I was thinking. But you can hang it up for me because you're so good at doing the things. Thank you. So guys, thank you so much. If you're not doing so already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But thank you so much for subscribing and following our journey. And like we said in the previous video, this started off as just being montages of workouts, and now we're vlogging and letting you into our world. Yeah, so thank you for wanting to be a part of our world, and we'll see you guys next time.
And don't forget we have a party coming up.
Oh yeah, don't forget about the party. So for my 100,000 subscribers and
If you
my
didn't see the
birthday,
video, we'll put it right here. Click that. All the information will be there.
and my birthday is May 4th. So on May 4th, we are having this birthday party, and everyone's invited. So I hope...
At Drift in Myrtle Beach. Google it. Drift Eatery in Myrtle Beach. Google it. 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Coming out and have a drink and say hi and have fun with us.
Or you can click on the location in my story because we're always over there. So...
Yeah. Or Google it.
Or Google it. You can Google it too. But I hope you guys make it out to the party. It is going to be amazing. Dress to impress.
Yep.
And wait till you see Chris's outfit.
Yeah. Dress nice so I'm not the only one.
Yeah.
The more over the top you dress, the better.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, red carpet event.
Yeah.
And, all right, we'll see you guys there. Bye.
Peace out, everybody.